Hello students, in this video we will discuss one poem, uh, class 12 core course English. The poem is written by, composed by Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda, and he has discussed the importance of keeping quiet, the importance of silence, the importance of stillness in life. Uh, important Silence is important. Silence gives us the moment for introspection. Silence, by becoming silent for some moments, we can refresh ourselves, we can refresh our mind and do the work with renewed energy. It is a source of recreation. It is not inactivity, it is not passivity, it is not death. It is just keeping away from work. Becoming workaholic is bad. Over and ever working is bad, and we should keep on taking rest while working, while doing something. And this is the poem about Pablo Neruda says. Now we will count to 12, and we will all keep still when we are in a very rushing moment of life. We are doing several activities at a time. Then we should take rest. We should start counting up to 12, and this will bring peace. This will bring silence in life. Uh, Next stanza is, for once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. He says, the poet says, on the on this earth, for a short moment, for a second, we should stop speaking any language. We should stop for a second, and even we should not, you see, move our arms all around. Moving up arms means to be active, to do something or the other. Then even moving arm should be stopped for some moments. This will, third stanza, it would be an exotic moment, very interesting, refreshing moment. It would be very mysterious moment. It will be for you. It will renew, it will regenerate, it will create refreshment in your body and mind. Without rush, the moments will be without any uh, hectic schedule, without any rush, without any satire, without any movement, without engines, without mad competition. This moment will be without any ruthless activities. We would all be together, and such moment of silence, such moments of stillness will bring us together. Mind and body will be together. People working together will come closer, and it will create a certain sudden strangeness from active, from work to silence. A strange situation you will face, and refreshing it is for us. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. The fishermen are engaged in catching fish in the sea. If they, you see, have a moment of silence in their life, during that silence period, they will not harm the whale. They will, the person who is working in salt production, they generally get their leg and hand hurts, and this will be the moment to realize their problem, for some moments. Therefore the poet wants to have silence, peace and quietude in life. Those who prepare green wars, some people are there, they create, uh, they fell trees, they cut You see, forest, they destroy forest by war. They create environmental problem. For such people, the poet says, stop for a moment and think, if you are doing something in favor of humanity, in favor of this mother earth. Wars with gas, wars with fire. Some warmongering people use gas and fire in wars, and what they get victory. And what is the meaning of the victory if there is no survivor? We have seen, we have one mythological story, Mahabharat. Pandavas won the war, but what was the cost? The price they paid was that they lost all their relatives. Then what is the use of the kingdom without people? The victory without survivor, this victory is useless, the poet says. Therefore, my dear warmongering people, you should follow the old ways. You should clean, you should put on clean clothes, and uh, in a in an atmosphere of friendship and brotherhood, you should walk with your brother, doing nothing for some time. Then you will realize the importance of human being, importance of environment, importance of humanity. You will realize, therefore, be away from reckless killing, be away from reckless felling trees, be away from recklessly creating destruction on this earth. uh, Next he says, what I want should not be confused. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. Life is life. Life is action. Life is movement. जीवन क्या है? झरना है, मस्ती ही इसका पानी, रुक जाना है, मर जाना है। तो ये क्या है जीवन? एक्शन. Life is action. And when there is inaction, inactivity, passivity, it is death. But poet says he is not telling moments of silence, keeping quiet. These things are not, you see, death. These things are not life, but these things, death. These things are meant for refreshing life, rejuvenating life, regenerating life. You see, silence period, keeping quiet, regenerates life, rejuvenate life, creates refreshing moments in life. Therefore, it should not be confused with inactivity, passivity. It is some moments of passivity while the life is on the go. While the life is on the go, some moments of inaction, some moments of passivity, some moments of peace stolen from the life which is on the go. जो लाइफ चल रहा है उसमें से कुछ क्षण चुरा के हम अपने को अच्छा करते हैं. Next is, it is not he doesn't associate life with death here when he says moments of silence should be observed in life. Peaceful introspection is required. Next he is telling, I want, if we were not single minded with about keeping our lives moving, and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness. If we were not single minded about keeping our lives moving, if we want to keep our life on the go, to keep our life going, then we have to observe silence. If we want, we should be single minded. We should resolve to have silence, keeping quiet, if we want life to be, you see, active. And for once could do nothing, and we should steal some moments when we should do nothing. Some moments of life should be stolen, which is the moments which would be the which would be filled with rest and you see refreshment. That moment should be stolen from our life. Next is never understanding ourselves or threatening ourselves with death. It is not that in silence period death will lurk. lurking death. Death should not be considered while taking rest, while observing silence. Death is away. It is not inactivity. Being away from work for some moments is not inactivity. Next, perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Mother Earth is the preserver of life. Mother Earth is the generator of life. When everything is dead, the Mother Earth has the power to bring life again, to bring even dead thing to life from the ashes. She has the power to preserve life, to regenerate life, and we should learn from our Mother Earth. This is why we count up to 12 and you will get silence, you will get stillness, quietude. थैंक यू. हम समझते हैं ये पोएम आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. नहीं होगा तो हिंदी में भी इसका हम कर देंगे. एच एस एल यू सी 12 क्लास कोर कोर्स इंग्लिश. थैंक यू.